And then underneath that, we've got what I call the tools. And in the tools, we've got skills, we've got agents, MCPs, and you've obviously got a whole bunch of other stuff in there, right? But these are the basic tools. And so what skills are? Skills are a way that AI is able to produce something in a repeatable way. So for example, a skill could be a end of month report. And so you create a skill specific for this client because they've got specific need, and it should produce the output in a similar way every single time. What's interesting is you've got agents. And so you can create an agent, for example, a data analyst agent and a UX UI agent. And if you're building those end of month reports, you can link those agents to certain skills. And so now that you've got an agent who is specifically a data analyst, and then you've got an agent who is specifically a UX UI designer, and they're building this report together. So they're following, again, they're inheriting our agency standards and operating guidelines to create this awesome report. And then you've got MCPs and APIs. So basically that is just connections to other tools. So for example, we've got Slack, Notion, GA4, BigQuery, etc. So you can connect that to your own internal databases or your clients' databases to then extract information to then help build those reports, right? And those are just examples. And so you could do whatever you want, but I've just done the data analyst reporting example. And then from there, obviously that there's an output layer. So the report will come out. Then what's really important for us is we do the 80-20 rule. So obviously 80% of the work is done, but 20% of it still needs to be audited by the team of seniors. And that's really important because we still want that feedback loop to come back to our model. Maybe the report is not 100% right, or it's missing some context. The seniors need to go back and update that context. And so that updating context is actually a good segue.